Thanks for tuning in again, and sorry it took so long to get this video posted. As far as growing the spider plants from the seeds you've made, we've tried quite a few different methods, and the method we found the best is to wait for the seed pod to dry on the stem. You can either let it fall off, or as you can see here, we are plucking it off with a pair of tweezers. You'll know it's good and dry when the pods actually split open and you can see the little black seeds inside of each pod. We've tried taking those seeds out of the pod and planting them directly, but the best results we've had is to actually take the entire pod, dig a hole about 1 inch into your dirt. Here we have an actual decorative glass piece we're going to grow it out of. Place it about 1 inch deep. Pack the dirt back over top of it. It doesn't have to be too tight. You can leave the dirt kind of loose, but you do have to make sure it stays moist. What we like to do is take a spray bottle and just give it a few spritzes every day, maybe twice a day depending on how dry it's getting, but just make sure you keep it moist without being overly wet. After a few weeks you'll start to see little sprouts coming up. This one took about 2 weeks before that showed up. Sometimes it takes longer. This one took about 4 weeks before it started to grow. But typically after you get a little sprout, shortly after, within 2 to 3 weeks, you'll start to notice it turning into a good spider plant. That's a sprout next to a clipping, and then the final one is about 6 weeks of growth, so they do get pretty big pretty fast. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to ask any questions if you have any, and have a great day.